Hi guys, it's Alima. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're not. So today's video is going to be a Gratis haul. I haven't recorded in a minute. It feels so strange because there's been a lot going on, but we're not gonna get into that now. So I have 2 bags of Gratis here. So I'm gonna start with the smaller one because that's the one I got first. So the first thing I see in here is from Belif. It's the Pore Cleaner Bubble Foam. Contains sebum control herb complex. Yes, so I got that, and then to go with it I also got the Belif. There's like a hair on my lip and I can feel it and it's bad. I also got the Believe in Truth Pore Cleaner Moisturizer. So these are for like pores and oil controlling. Oh, something bit me on my finger and it itches so much. Then I also got the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. And this Gratis I got just before I went on my cruise. I went on vacation. So I was trying to see if I got the Super Goop sunscreen powder, but I didn't, as you will see. And then I have the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Mineral Matte CC Cream SPF 30. Now when the lady gave this to me, she already knew it was a good match. So you could use this under foundation, I guess. So it's supposed to help minimize the look of imperfections for skin that looks younger, smoother, brighter, and more evenly toned over time. Immediately and over time. Now it's sealed. Like, that is really light. Yeah. And even in my palest, I'm not that light. And then I got the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. This is interesting because it's very light. I felt the tester. I haven't actually opened this one, but I felt the tester we have in store. And it does feel like a jelly. Like, it feels like you put aloe vera on your hand, but without the stickiness, because aloe vera can be sticky. That's what it kind of feels like. But then I feel like it absorbs so fast, so if your skin is dry, you might need to mix this with a serum or something a little bit more hydrating. I don't know. Then I have a NARS Soft Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Consuming Red. That looks like. I don't want to swatch it just in case I give it away, because if you're new you may not know, but if you are not, you may know I do a giveaway for my birthday every year, and my birthday is coming up. Then I have the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser Mini. Then I have the Giorgio Armani Ecstasy, right? Oh, it's a Lip Maestro and number 400. I've never received anything from Giorgio or Armani before, and also one of my friends, she just gave me this because she didn't want this color. It's the Lip Magnet in 605. It's a really dark color. And then I got from Caudalie the VinoPerfect Serum. It's a Radiance serum, and it's a very expensive serum, so I can't wait to try it because apparently Caudalie is really good. And this was a card from Beauty Blender about their like mint green beauty blender. I got that and I used it on the cruise, and I don't know where it is. I think it's still in the makeup bag I took with me, but I already used it. It's the Chill Beauty Blender. So it came in this little bag. Then I also got this from Drunk Elephant. I like how whenever the Drunk Elephant, the rep for Drunk Elephant, leaves me think she puts my name on things multiple times, so they know. I think I got a little serum from this as well, and I gave it away. It was a vitamin C serum, I think. Oh no, it was a mini proteini. No, I didn't give that away. I took it with me on the cruise. But it was a mini proteini. moisturizer to go with. This is the Bronzi Anti-pollutin Sunshine Serum. I don't know what I would use this for. I mean, I'll try it. But yeah. Then last but not least, I have the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. And it's liquid, yeah. It's a brush. So it's not a felt tip like the Kat Von D ink liner. It's a brush tip like the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So that's the first bag. Alright, next bag. So first thing in here is more beauty blender. And this is something we have to fill out online, so I already know what this is. It has your name on it. I'm gonna show you my store, but yeah. It's a beauty blender blonde liquid foundation. And it shows you all the shades. It says, hi beauty. For years, the beauty blender has helped make countless foundations look their best. Now the iconic blender meets its match with our new foundation. Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. This dreamy formula uses a high-speed whipping process to create an easy-to-blend texture, which sets to a gorgeous velveteen matte and dropping stuff. It says we're so pumped for you to try the innovative packaging. You're receiving the sample version hot off the press, so you could be one of the first to try it out. Our team will be in your store soon, and we can't wait to hear what you think. So this is the version we got. So it's 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters. And the shade is 4.10. So we don't get to actually try the packaging. And it comes with another beauty blender, which, you know, I can always use another beauty blender. Okay, next thing here is from Fenty. We're gonna be coming in good with that Gratis. So it shows you the fall collection. This was, I think we should have got this a long time ago, but my store gets Gratis very late. This is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I've used it on people. It's very inky. It's not matte though. It's very black. I like it. I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready to use it. Next thing in here, I did use this on my brows today because It's the Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. We did have to fill out a survey for this to get the color. I think I got the Precisely My Brow in that first bag I did, but I just finished it yesterday. So that's all shows you how long I've had this Gratis and how long I've been waiting for this next set to do them together. Alright, and then also from Beauty Blender we got this holder. So you can hold your beauty blenders and you can also put them together so you can travel with it. It just needs a little keychain to hang on things. And then from Somerville, I got the Eradikate. It's a Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment. I cannot wait to use this with my skin. It's kind of breaking me out right now. Yeah. And then I have probably one of the things I'm most excited about because I don't get anything from Tatcha. It's the Tatcha Essence. It's the Plumping Skin Softener. I'm going to be all about this. Tatcha's just so fancy. But yeah. And then I got the Clinique Blackhead Solution Self-Heating Blackhead Extractor Salicylic Acid Medication. And it has like rubberized grips here. Like there's texture on here. I guess that's to help get it out. And then from Mercier, I got the Translucent Medium Deep. I thought this was the glow version. I was like, ooh. But it's just the regular version. I haven't tried the Translucent Medium Deep, and when it came out over a year ago, I was gonna buy it, but I never did because I thought it might just be borderline a little too dark for me. And then I have the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I got one with my 100-point perks yesterday, and I used that, and it was okay. It was right. Now I have a full size. Hey, stay up. And then I have from Algenist exclusive Gratis. It is the Elevate Advanced Retinol Serum. I have a Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Always coming through. Then I have a Blink Mascara Amplify. Stop painting your lashes too dumb. Oh, stop falling. Which things? Then I got a sample of the Fresh Nectar Vitamin C powder. At first I thought this was like something you drink. It says do not ingest on the back. Alright, it's actually a 30-second foaming plate facial. And then we have the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, the smoothing primer. I was thinking of getting the matting primer, but I decided to get the smoothing primer. She said it has a matte. It also has mattifying properties. But I'm really oily, so I should have just known better and got the mattifying one. This is the Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner from Sunday Riley. I do have this already. So I took it with me on the cruise, another mini one. And I have bought that in the past, and I think I've showed it on my channel. Hey. And next thing that I have is the Commodity Book 10 milliliter mini spray. I don't know why I can't think of what it is. I don't know, like, he asked me what smell, and it's like, I haven't smelled these in a long time. I mean, book is alright. I might give it. And then I have the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation in Y480. Again, we have to fill out a survey for this, so it comes with that little sticker. My name on it. I thought we weren't gonna get this because we filled that out like in the beginning of summer. And it comes with a shameless sticker that I don't know where to put. Like, I see some people have it on their brush belt, but then if I ever were to leave Sephora, I wouldn't keep it. And then I have the Always On liquid lipstick from Smashbox in Stepping Out. I got that from a contest. And then this is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Coconut Eye Primer. And yep, it's a sample. And that's it. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. That's it for my Gratis. So please let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me review, test, use. Let me know what you want to see next video wise. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, please. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.